Today we're going to learn how to clean double hung windows on a nursing home. These are extra dirty, so you take your abrasive pad, you hit the top bottoms where they're dirtiest. Then you take your window cleaning mop, wet the window. Then you take your squeegee, technical term, you remove the water from the window. First the top, then the bottom. You also must keep in mind that arrogance is very critical to cleaning windows. Take your dry towel, wipe around the edge. You want to make sure to only get a small part of your towel so you don't smear the window. And then remember that your frames are also part of the window. You want to dry them off. And you go back to where you've messed up your window drying off your frame. Dry it off again. Voila.